A storyboard is a sequence of illustrations used to develop a story. Traditionally, storyboards were used to plan the scenes in a movie, game, or TV show. But many businesses now use storyboards to understand and map the customer experience. The major benefit of using a storyboard is to empathize with your customers. By depicting the user's interaction with your product or service through storyboards, you can better understand what the user is thinking and reveal how you can better help them. 1. Set up the main actor of your storyboard. What is the background? What are their goals? What do they need to do? And what are their pain points? 2. Draw the journey of the main actor from the first painful moments to the final happy ending. Draw all the major moments in their journey with your product. 3. Understand your main actor. How your main actor feel during the journey, whether they are painful or happy. Gain insights from this to improve your product or service.